Antibiotics are used to kill or inhibit bacteria growth. Although you might think of antibiotics as modern medicine, they've been around for centuries. The first antibiotics, like a lot of today's antibiotics, are derived from natural sources. Now I will share with best natural antibiotics to always keep in your home. 1. Garlic. When it comes to natural antibiotics, garlic is toward the top of the list. This may be the most potent natural antibiotic. Garlic has a compound called allicin which has potent antitoxin, antiviral, antifungal, and antimicrobial properties. It has been used for thousands of years to ward off diseases, and even vampires. Consuming garlic on a regular basis will boost your immune system, and prevent most illnesses before they also get started. 2. Onions. The properties and antibiotic capabilities of onions are almost identical to garlic. In fact, onions can help to increase blood circulation, and reduce pain, as well as inflammation. Onions are another great way to prevent infections from making your body their home in the first place. 3. Ginger. Many people have eaten raw ginger served along with their sushi. Few genuinely understand, and that this is a powerful remedy among natural antibiotics. Ginger is most effective at preventing food poisoning. It is also extremely effective at killing Salmonella, Listeria, and Campylobacter. Also, fresh ginger can also aid digestion without harming beneficial bacteria in the gut. 4. Cabbage. Known for its potentially gaseous effects on the gastrointestinal system, cabbage is abundant in sulfur compounds that are a hallmark of vegetables of the cruciferous family, that includes broccoli and kale. Fortunately, these compounds are useful in destroying harmful cells. 5. Coconut oil. Coconut oil, like apple cider vinegar, is one of the healthiest home remedies. You cannot list all the diseases that coconut oil can help with. Coconut oil is considered to be a natural antibiotic thanks to its antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Also, coconut oil is an antioxidant that can be used to boost your immune system. Just 1 spoonful in your morning coffee or milk is more than enough to keep you healthy. 6. Cinnamon. This tasty spice is not only high in healthy antioxidants, but it also possesses antifungal, antimicrobial, and antibacterial compounds. Cinnamon is particularly helpful to the pancreas, because it has powerful effects on insulin levels, and blood sugar levels, which can help those with diabetes. 7. Oregano oil. Oregano leaf. Its use for chickens was mentioned above, and in the laboratory, it has also been studied in mice. Helicobacter pylori cause stomach infections in 2/3 of humans worldwide. The side effects include peptic ulcers and even stomach cancer. 8. Honey. Honey is an ancient remedy for the treatment of infected wounds. It holds antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and astringent abilities. Pale honey as being good as a salve for sore eyes and wounds. Manuka honey has been reported to exhibit antimicrobial activity against pathogenic bacteria. The great thing about natural antibiotics is that they carry no side effects, and can be used alongside each other without harming your body.